Are you looking to upgrade your kitchen with the best cookware sets? In today's video, we're diving into the best non-stick cookware sets of 2025, where we'll showcase top-rated products that promise easy cooking, effortless cleanup, and long-lasting performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these sets will elevate your culinary experience. Don't forget to check the description below for the product links. Now, let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Carote non-stick cookware set stands out with its space-saving design and versatility. This 15-piece set features a taupe-colored granite non-stick coating, ensuring easy cooking and effortless cleanup. The detachable Bakelite handles with silicone allow you to stack the pots and pans efficiently, saving up to 70% more storage space. Its multitasking design lets you seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven, grill, refrigerator, and table with a simple click. The cookware ensures even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. It includes 2 fry pans, 2 saucepans, a sauté pan, 2 silicone lids, 2 storage lids, 2 detachable handles, and 4 pan protectors. Carote prioritizes quality with a strict inspection process, guaranteeing reliability. If any defects occur due to delivery, their customer service ensures a prompt solution. Taking the 4th spot is the Calphalon non-stick cookware set, a reliable choice for everyday cooking. This 10-piece set is crafted from hard anodized aluminum, offering excellent durability while resisting corrosion and warping. The dual-layer non-stick interior ensures effortless food release and quick cleanup, making cooking more enjoyable. Designed for safety, the long silicone handles stay cool on the stovetop, allowing a comfortable grip. This set is also oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility for various cooking techniques. The set includes 2 fry pans, 2 saucepans with covers, a sauté pan with a cover, and a 6-quart stockpot with a cover, giving you everything needed for daily meal preparation. While hand washing is recommended, its easy-to-clean surface ensures minimal effort. Whether you are preparing a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, this cookware set offers consistent performance, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Next on our list is the Carote white granite cookware set, a durable and versatile option for every kitchen. This 21-piece set features a sturdy die-cast aluminum body, providing long-lasting reliability while keeping the cookware lightweight for easier handling. The white granite surface offers 10 times the non-stick performance of typical coatings, ensuring effortless food release and easy cleaning. Free from PFOS and PFOA, this set promotes healthier cooking. It includes an egg pan, 2 frying pans, 2 saucepans with lids, 2 casserole pots, a sauté pan, 3 utensils, and 4 pan protectors, covering all your cooking needs. The high magnetic conductive stainless steel base allows it to work on all cooktops, including induction, while its extended bottom design ensures even heating. At number 2, the T-fal non-stick cookware set offers a durable and reliable cooking experience. This 17-piece set features a hard anodized exterior and forged design, ensuring long-lasting performance. The titanium non-stick coating allows food to slide smoothly, making both cooking and cleanup effortless. The set includes essential pieces like covered saucepans, fry pans, a griddle, sauté pan, Dutch oven, steamer insert, and an egg wonder fry pan, covering all your cooking needs. One standout feature is the thermospot technology, which turns solid red when the pan is properly preheated, guaranteeing perfect cooking results. The riveted silicone handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, while the vented tempered glass lids trap heat and moisture. At number 1, the GreenLife non-stick cookware set offers a healthy, eco-friendly cooking experience. This 16-piece set includes everything you need, including mini fry pans, saucepans, a stockpot, sauté pan, a stainless steel steamer, and kitchen utensils. The cookware features a PFAS-free healthy ceramic non-stick coating, derived from sand, ensuring effortless food release and easy cleanup. It's free of harmful toxins like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making every meal safer. The soft grip Bakelite handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, ensuring comfort during cooking. Each fry pan has a reinforced, wobble-free base for even heat distribution. Oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe, This cookware is designed for convenience.